Right now, tens of trillions of dollars continue to move across borders every single year to power global commerce. We can ship physical goods across oceans in days and stream data globally in milliseconds. But the financial tracks carrying the money for those goods were built for an era before the digital world existed. For a regional bank executive in London, that outdated infrastructure is visible on a dashboard, filled with stalled, expensive wire transfers. Thousands of miles away, a small exporter in Lagos faces the same friction, waiting days for a business-critical settlement to clear. This delay in moving money acts as a hidden tax that limits the growth of the modern digital economy. This bottleneck persists because of the legacy correspondent banking system, a fragmented chain where money must pass through multiple disconnected intermediaries to reach its destination. At every step, the payment hits a wall. Unpredictable fees are deducted, manual compliance checks cause delays, and exchange spreads compound with each hop. These legacy frictions disproportionately penalize frontier markets, choking off economic growth where it is most needed. Global institutions want to participate in these emerging markets, but the associated compliance risks and legacy costs of the current system keep them on the sidelines. Patching this old system is no longer a viable strategy. Connecting global capital to the frontier requires a new, regulated financial infrastructure. Financial value can now move instantly like data through tokenized deposits, digital representations of commercial bank money that are natively programmable. To use this technology, traditional institutions cannot rely on unregulated shadow rails. They require bank-grade, compliant infrastructure to move assets safely. Don Lion provides a three-layered architectural bridge. The foundation is a regulated offshore hub for digital asset custody and multi-currency fiat accounts. Above this, it's the onshore partner network. Regional banks plug into the hub via API, upgrading cross-border services without replacing existing core systems. This layered approach allows local banks to keep their customer relationships and stay within their regulatory perimeters while outsourcing the settlement mechanics to Don Lion. The final layer is an AI-driven payment engine that manages the routing and logic for the entire network. This engine dynamically routes every transaction, automatically selecting the fastest path and lowest cost across different asset types. The AI also provides real-time anomaly detection and sanction screening, which removes the manual compliance bottlenecks that typically slow down international transfers. Don Lion operates strictly within official, emerging central bank guidelines for digital assets to ensure institutional safety. By managing stablecoins and tokenized deposits under traditional payment service rules, the platform preserves the role of the two-tier banking system. While the AI provides operational speed, this strict regulatory alignment creates the security necessary for institutional adoption. These digital rails create a direct connection between major global financial centers and the growing economies of frontier markets. The Don Lion network reduces cross-border settlement times from several days down to seconds. This change allows startups in Accra and merchants in Dubai to send and receive payments instantly and at a lower cost. Rapid, reliable liquidity ensures that financial inclusion functions as a practical tool for entrepreneurs to manage their daily operations. Equipping these frontier businesses with instant capital provides the liquidity required for a massive expansion in global trade. For onshore institutional partners, this frontier expansion represents a significant financial opportunity. Banks using Don Lion's rail can capture new revenue streams in SME trade finance and global remittances. Institutions gain this growth along with improved capital efficiency, all without the cost of a core banking heart transplant. For investors, Don Lion provides a way to participate in the tens of trillions of dollars in future global payment flows. Don Lion connects crypto-native speed with the established trust of the banking system, establishing a regulated infrastructure